Good day and welcome. How to solve these exponential trigonometric equations for the value of x that satisfy this. So here we have sine square x and here we have cos square x. So where should we start? Should we start from sine square or cos square? So here is how we can do it. So suppose I start with this cos square x, and we know that anytime we have cos square of x, this is given as 1 minus sine square x, and we are going to replace it here, which is we have sine 81 raised to power of sine square x plus 81 raised to power of 1 minus sine square x equals 30. So from the law of exponent, we can separate this thing as, so if this one remains 81 to the power of sine square x plus, we can have this as 81 to the power of 1 multiplied by 81 to the power of minus sine square x equals 30. And next we have, so here we have 81 to the power of sine square x, and there is also 81 to the power of minus sine square x. To make it easy, we are going to let 81 to the power of sine square x equals t. So here we have t plus 81 multiplied by t to the power of minus 1 equals 30. And t to the power of minus 1, I can just say we can multiply 2 by t to make this one go. And here we have t bracket t plus 81 multiplied by t to the power of minus 1 equals 30 multiplied by t. So t multiplied by t here, we are going to have it as t squared plus, so when t multiplied by t to the power of minus 1, everything becomes 1, and we have 1 multiplied by 81, which is 81. So when we take this one here, we have minus 30t equals 0. And next we are going to do the rearrangement here. When we rearrange this, we have this as t squared minus 30t plus 81 equals 0. And next we have this as a quadratic equation. Here is minus 30 and here is 81. Let's do something here, something very nice. You know, this minus 30, if we have it as minus 27 minus 3, this gives minus 30. And by multiplying minus 27 by minus 3, this gives 81. So which means the two roots for this is minus 27 minus 30. So let's try to plug it in this. Here we have t squared minus 3t minus 27t, and here we have plus 81 equals 0. So by grouping this, we have t squared minus 3t in bracket minus bracket 27t minus 81 equals 0. So t is common, we take it out. We have t bracket t minus 3 minus 27 can go in this as well. We have 27 come out, and here remain t minus 3 equals 0. So therefore we have this as t minus 3 bracket t minus 27 equals 0. We let t minus 3 equals 0, or we let t minus 27 equals 0. By doing that, we have t minus 3 equals 0, or t minus 27 equals 0. So with these two factors we can get their roots. So which means the root of this equation becomes t equals 3, and we have t equals 27. But here are not the solutions. So we just got this just to get the value of x, where we let 81 to the power of sine square x equals t. So we are just going to replace the value of t with these two values. But let's say at t equals 3, we have 81 raised to the power of sine square x equals 3. And here is 81, which we can write it in exponent form, and it comes with the base of 3. So here we have 3 to the power of 4, which is 81, multiplied by sine square x equals 3 to the power of 1 is still 3. When this cancelled, we have 4 sine square x equals 1. And next, here is 4 sine square x equals 1. By dividing both sides by 4, here we have these two cancelled each other. So after it cancelled, so the next thing we are going to do is we have this as sine square x equals 1 divided by 4. And by taking the square root of both sides, so here is sine x raised to the power of 2, then the square root of it equals plus or minus the square root of 1 over 4. And then this cancelled, so that we have sine x equals plus or minus square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. And to get the value of x here, we are going to take the sine inverse of both sides. So here we have x equals sine inverse of plus or minus 1 divided by 2. And this is the first solution to the value of x. And indeed, we can get the numeric value of it. So by considering the first one as 30, minus 150, and others like that. And again, at t equals 27, we also plug it in this, which is 81 to the power of sine square x equals 27. And here we have this as 3 to the power of 4 sine square x equals 3 to the power of 3. This cancelled, and here we have 4 sine square x equals 3. By dividing both sides by 4, we have this and this cancelled. Here we have sine square x equals 3 divided by 4. And by taking the square root of both sides as well, we have this as square root of sine x raised to the power of 2 equals plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 4. So this and this cancelled each other. So we have sine x equals plus or minus. Here we are going to have it as root 3 divided by 2. So on getting this, we are going to take the sine inverse of both sides. Here we have x equals sine inverse of plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. And here gives the other solution to the value of x. And as usual, we are done. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and never stop learning. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.